is, it's party season, what do you drink? I personally don't really drink, and I don't like the concentrated juices and sugars that they put into the drinks at the bar. So I drink kombucha, kombucha, whatever you want to call it. And today I'm going to show you how to make kombucha, as it's a good alternative to drinking alcohol. Also, it has friendly bacteria, which is great for you, and it still gives you the same buzz as alcohol. So what are you losing out here? So all you need is your kombucha culture. You can get that on Amazon. Yeah. Some tea bags. I'm using 8 tea bags, preferably organic tea leaves. You can use black tea, green tea, any tea you want that flavour of, and some sugar, preferably raw cane sugar. And I have a Mulsin Cloth here, Douvalls Mulsin Cloth, which is going to go over there to let the air flow but no nasty bugs or anything get in. And my spoon, I'm going to stir it all together to help it brew. So, how do you make kombucha? So first of all, you need 200 grams of your sugar, and that's going to go into my jar here. You can use a smaller jar, or you can use lots of little jars. So I'm going to add my sugar in there. All of that in there. I've got 200 grams of sugar. My tea bags are going to go in there. And I now have a kettle of hot water, and that is going to go in there also. We had a bit of a mishap with our glass jar, so we've resorted to a plastic one, which might be a bit safer. So my tea has cooled down now. I'm going to take the tea bags out. So I've taken all the tea bags out, and now I'm going to put my kombucha culture in there. Okay, so I'm going to place that into my tea and sugar mix. And it will sink to the bottom. And then I'm going to cover it with a Mulsin Cloth so you can still get air in there and it can still breathe. There we go. And then we leave it like that for 10 to 14 days. After 10 days, give it a taste. If it tastes fruity, then it's done. If it tastes too much like the tea, then it's not quite done yet. So I'm going to leave that for 10 to 14 days and get back to you with what it tastes like. So we've left our kombucha for 12 days now, and this is our kombucha here. It seems to smell quite good. I've given it a taste, and it tastes more fruity than like tea, really good. And I've put one glass here, I've got one glass here, and I've put that in the fridge. And we're going to give it a taste, and the fridge will give it that fizz. And make sure when you've stored your kombucha that it's in a cool, dry place. If you're in a warmer place, if it's winter where you are, try and put it in an airing cupboard or somewhere that's a bit warmer, otherwise you might get mold in there or anything like that. Okay, give it a try. Cheers. Tastes good. We'll do some more fizz, so we'll put it in the fridge for longer, and I hope it'll be more fizzy. But give it a go. It's worth a try. Saves you lots of money on the original kombucha, and it's something fun to do for your whole family. Ooh. Okay, breaking. Or maybe use something else. We will be finding a different alternative.